I'm standing here in Ducati, New York, where you can see that the company has consciously shifted its strategy to focus on the higher end of the motorcycle spectrum. They sell motorcycles for $30,000 to $40,000. You can auction them out to $50,000. Everything from a cruiser like the Diavol V4 to the multi-strada dual sport bike to these racing machines. This is a Panigale V4 SP2. It's completely sold out. For years, motorcycles have been ramping up their use of microprocessors, and Ducati's multi-strada V4 uses dozens of them to help drivers do things like set adaptive cruise control or protect their blind spots. But hopefully, more chips will be made and the supply chain will work faster so we can get more of these on the street.
You get your foot in the door with that first Ducati, and we have a very high loyalty rate. I mean, our clients, once they come into our world of Ducati, it's like, I've made it. This is who I am. This is what I want.